here is our patient this time. It is a little bit loose and it makes a horrible sound when you run this machine. So hopefully that's not a bearing fault. It might be that would be bad, but let's see. I bring you a little bit closer when I open this up. There seems to be a specific system where how you get this out. Let's see how that is. Okay, let's first loose these. These were not so loose originally. I should mark this so that I know in which direction I put it back. So I put here. This is not a functional surface, so I can put a mark there. Yes, there you are. And also this is a functional surface. So I just put this mark up. They all seem to be equally long. So yeah. Okay, and now we have two holes here. I believe the same bolts go in there. Yeah, it looks like that. Yeah, these are jack screws. It comes out, but I need a longer. Well, let's see if I need a longer one. It comes out like this. Well, this is nice. Okay, let's see how long bolts I have for M5. Okay, I found a little bit longer. Hopefully these are longest I do have. The other one is Phillips and the other one is well, yeah, and it was M5. Yeah. There you are. Wow! Oh yeah, it comes out. Okay, good. Okay, and it is a double bearing system spool. Let's take this stuff out from there. Pulling out these. Oh. Can you see what's on top of that? Huh. How in earth do we get those there? That's funny. Oh, it's shop air. Well, the whole tube is filled with that stuff, if you can see inside there. I need to clean these up as well. Same stuff. Yeah. So I need to clean it up and I will do this cleanup off the camera. Okay, a little bit cleaner now. And I figured out this thing. There is an adjustment here on the back. So when you tighten this one, this bearing moves forward. And that one, well, you have to adjust it, put it into place, see if there is still play. Readjust and put it back, etc. Several times, I believe. So this is what I'm going to do now. Okay. Okay, I have now adjusted the runout. It's the play here. So it's now quite minimal. Well, there is some, but not a lot. Difficulty here is to get this correctly positioned. But I have these long screws which I use to first like draw it into a place. Hopefully this is now, because the next thing I need to do is to put these on. Hopefully they are already okay. Let's see if they are. Yeah. These are way easier to turn than those screws. Now, and remember the dot, now it's facing up. Anyway, the tightening nut you saw, it was loose actually. It was, you could turn it by fingers. It was not tight at all. Now I put them to the tightness they were originally. Something like that. Yeah. Let's see if this... Okay, and then we put some oil here. Say it's way better. Now a short presentation how this is now. And this was normally very high loud sound. Now it's more like normal. And the other direction then when we turn it the other way. So this should be good now.